Have you ever wondered what makes a peanut butter Snickers so irresistible? From creamy peanut butter to rich chocolate, caramel, and nougat. It's not just a candy bar, it's a masterpiece of flavor and precision. But how is it actually made? In today's video, we're taking you inside the factory to reveal the step-by-step process behind this iconic treat. Stick around to see how science, craftsmanship, and the finest ingredients create the Snickers you know and love. One, ingredient sourcing and selection. The process starts with careful sourcing of the raw ingredients. At the center of this process are high-quality peanuts, which are the featured ingredient that gives the bar its signature layer of creamy peanut butter. These peanuts come from specific farms, mostly in the United States, where growing conditions, in terms of soil quality, climate, and farming practices, are perfect for producing peanuts with exceptional flavor and texture. Only those premier peanuts that pass the highest scrutiny of standards in size, oil content, flavor, and freshness are selected. Each batch is tested so that the peanuts impart the rich, nutty taste and smoothness of texture needed for Snickers' signature peanut butter. The ingredients surpass peanuts because all producers meet the company's trusted supplier criteria. The ingredients for peanut butter Snickers consist of cocoa beans for chocolate coating purposes, together with sugar and glucose syrup for sweetness, and dairy components for nougat and caramel development, followed by vegetable oils for texture stability. All suppliers need to meet organization-wide requirements that cover both ethics and food safety standards, along with quality standards for materials and test results monitoring moisture content, contaminants, and flavor consistency. All ingredients that complete extensive quality examinations can proceed into manufacturing to create peanut butter Snickers bars with the highest possible standards of components. 2. Cleaning and roasting of peanuts. When peanuts reach the production facility, they must be cleaned intensively to select nuts of premium quality. Food safety, together with quality control, becomes essential in this phase of production. The peanuts undergo several cleaning phases, which use 3 different equipment types: vibrating sieves for stone and stick detection, dust and husk removal through air classifiers, while gravity separators eliminate damaged and small peanuts. After this process ends, the peanuts have reached complete foreign object clearance for further operations in the roasting stage. Transformation of raw peanuts into flavor-rich peanut butter base occurs exclusively through roasting. Large industrial roasters contain peanuts which are distributed evenly while rotating beneath precise temperatures between 160 Celsius to 170 Celsius. Under these conditions, peanuts get their trademark nutty fragrance. The roast process ends when peanuts reach perfection because quick cooling preserves their flavors at the peak moment. 3. Grinding and creamy peanut butter production. The nuts proceed from roasting to the grinding department, which starts their evolution into the classic peanut butter material used for peanut butter Snickers. Industrial-grade grinders in the beginning grinding phase accept roasted peanuts for processing. The industrial grading machines combine rollers with metal blades to break peanuts into a thick grinding substance. The mixture achieves a thick and gritty consistency at this time due to the peanut solids containing major oil content with minimal size reduction from breaking. After making a coarse peanut paste in the first grinding phase, the production continues into an essential grinding step that creates the desired creaminess for the finished bars. Proceeding into the next stage, the peanut paste receives high-speed grinding that uses ultra-fine mesh screens for additional particle reduction. The combination of fine mesh screens in the second grinders enables oil liberation from peanuts and results in butter that is smooth enough to flow. At this stage, industrial operators add stabilizers, consisting of hydrogenated vegetable oils, into the mix. Stabilizers serve as an essential component to keep peanut butter liquids from separating, although neglecting their addition will result in oil floating to the surface. A tiny amount of salt and sugar enhances the taste, but they remain slightly savory to counterbalance the sweetness present in both nougat and caramel. A final step in the creation requires mixing, which leads to a reliable smoothness across the entire mixture. The peanut butter achieves its creamy consistency before it moves forward for its role in Snickers bar assembly. 4. Preparing the nougat base. Another vital ingredient known as nougat base receives manufacturing attention after peanut butter production commences. Nougat comes into existence through the mixture of sugar, corn syrup, egg whites, together with milk powders. A combination of ingredients enters massive industrial mixers, which results in the development of a light, airy consistency. By whipping egg whites, the nougat attains both chewiness and airiness because of the increased air content. Vanilla extract serves as the flavor enhancer that is incorporated at this point. Proper temperature controls help the nougat mixture achieve the correct setting before the cooling process. After preparation, the nougat moves to a flat conveyor machine to accomplish cooling and hardening before its subsequent layering process. 5. Layering peanut butter over nougat. The nougat achieves a set consistency. Then, the workers apply a complete layer of thick, creamy peanut butter on its surface. The operation controls peanut butter spreading to maintain uniform thickness over all bars during production. Professional depositors form peanut butter into one homogeneous layer before using a roller to extend its coverage. The proper management of nougat along with peanut butter layers creates the iconic Snickers flavor experience because excessive peanut butter can drown out the flavors and insufficient peanut butter leads to a bland result. The nougat and peanut butter mixture required time to chill until it became hard enough to proceed to the following manufacturing step. 6. Caramel layer production and application. The caramel layer forms the essential element that provides chewiness and sweetness in peanut butter Snickers. Caramel starts by combining precise sugar, glucose syrup, and dairy elements, including cream or milk solids, and butter, before heating them to 120 to 150 degrees Celsius, 248 to 302 Fahrenheit temperature ranges. The controlled cooking procedure makes sure the caramel develops its perfect glossy brown color while attaining stretchy elastic textures before reaching the correct consistency. The continuous movement of machine-assisted stirrers in big cooking tanks prevents crystallization and scorching of the mixture. The hot caramel distribution occurs on the cold peanut butter layer because the mixture remains pliable at this stage. Specialized rollers together with spreaders help achieve a uniform caramel thickness that forms a sticky, buttery layer that extends the combination of creamy peanut butter and soft nougat base. 7. Cutting the bar base into pieces. When the nougat peanut butter caramel slab reaches the appropriate temperature and reaches full hardness, it becomes ready to be divided into individual bar shapes. Accuracy-driven slicing machines utilizing precise blades prepare rectangular sheet pieces out of the large sheets, which become the essential composition of Snickers bars. The equipment has set specifications to produce bars in both normal and mini Snickers dimensions. The product pieces receive alignment before proceeding to the chocolate enrobing process. 8. Chocolate enrobing. The chocolate coating serves as the favorite element in a Snickers bar for many consumers. High-quality milk chocolate requires cocoa butter and solids as the base ingredients, with sugar and milk components for creation purposes. The mixture gets melted and subjected to tempering to achieve a precise temperature needed to maintain smooth textures and snapping features. A continuous movement of bar cores through the dryer turns them into a flow that receives total chocolate coverage from the waterfall above them. Workers let the chocolate evaporate to achieve accurate coating consistency on every bar. The process aims for a precise amount of chocolate coating that prevents it from being either too heavy or too light. A vibration system helps the chocolate spread evenly across the bars and removes trapped air bubbles at the same time. Quick solidification of the chocolate happens to the coated bars as they journey through the cooling tunnel that uses cold air for the preservation of their shine and texture. The cooling period serves as an essential process to develop both Snickers bars' shine and desirable texture. 9. Quality control and inspection. The quality control process runs extensively on every Peanut Butter Snickers batch. The bars receive a visual assessment for maintaining uniformity regarding their size, format, and their chocolate envelope. Quality checks make use of electronic cameras alongside sensors to identify damages, such as cracks or imperfect coating surfaces. Food manufacturers extract random samples from their products to verify that all taste elements remain consistent. Before packaging begins, the product reviewer checks the peanut butter, nougat, caramel, and chocolate flavor equilibrium, together with the texture condition of each bar. 10. Packaging and labeling. The Peanut Butter Snickers bars proceed to automated packaging once they clear all final quality assessment procedures, before going through sophisticated machines for swift, hygienic wrapping. The purpose of branded packaging materials is to defend Peanut Butter Snickers bars against moisture and protect them from air exposure, as well as contamination, while maintaining their freshness for delivery to consumers. Automated machines apply tight wrapping to every bar to prevent shipping damage to the chocolate surface. Product information printed on each package of sliced almonds includes vital details, including the nutritional breakdown, along with ingredient components, allergen alerts, production date, and specific tracking identification. Such procedures help businesses fulfill regulatory requirements while maintaining complete product information for their consumers. The distribution process then includes group formation of packages into bigger cartons, followed by sealing and labeling until they reach their intended destinations across various international markets. That include retailers and supermarkets. 11. Storage and distribution. Cool storage warehouses serve as storage for finished chocolate products to prevent both melting and the formation of white spots from fat separation. Customers all over the world receive Peanut Butter Snickers bars through supermarket chains, convenience stores, and vending machines, starting from facilities known as warehouses. Bar transportation methods require particular attention to keep their freshness intact as well as their quality preserved. Chocolate protection through cold chain logistics becomes necessary whenever warm delivery conditions arise in specific regions. 12. Environmental considerations and sustainability. Sustained by Sustainability Initiatives Mars Incorporated, which operates as the patent organization of Snickers, dedicates its production to environmental principles. The company dedicates its efforts to obtaining cocoa through Rainforest Alliance certification, while supporting peanut agriculture via sustainable methods. The factories adopt energy-efficient equipment along with waste reduction programs that decrease environmental effects. Companies work on creating eco-friendly and recyclable packaging for Snickers since they aim to diminish plastic waste in the confectionery sector. And there you have it. The making of Peanut Butter Snickers is a fascinating blend of precision, high-quality ingredients, and advanced technology, all working together to create the iconic treat we love. From carefully roasted peanuts to rich caramel, fluffy nougat, and that final layer of smooth chocolate, every step is crafted with care to ensure you get that perfect bite every time. Now that you know the incredible journey behind each bar, we hope you'll appreciate it even more the next time you unwrap a Peanut Butter Snickers. If you enjoyed learning about this process, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more behind-the-scenes food production stories, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an upload. Do you have a favorite snack that you want to see featured next? Drop it in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.